We're at the Whirlpool stand here at the Consumer Electronics Show, and it's all about TVs and entertainment systems, as we're going to show you. Whirlpool has a range of fridges. They've also got some cool apps as well to help you not only prepare your food but also cook your food. And then we're going to talk about some items in the kitchen and also finish up in the laundry. So the story here is that all these products can talk to each other. The information that you need the apps to know, things to do with your diet, they're all remembered in the app as well. So it really does a lot of the heavy lifting for you before you've even started cooking your food or washing your clothes. All these smarts are already at work. Now, the refrigerator is a very important part of the home, and Whirlpool have these new refrigerators that are plenty of smarts built in, including the touch panels, which allow you to do a number of things. One of them is being able to set the refrigerator on various modes. So say they've got a vacation mode, so the fridge will power down and operate in low power while you're away. But there's also a party mode. So if you're throwing a party, you can flick this in a party mode and it will chill items in your fridge faster, produce ice, things like that. So if your party is about to get underway, the refrigerator can help you with that. But if you do run out of groceries, various items, you can then access them through this menu. So I've just hit the button there, processing your order, and you can place an order right here at the fridge. So if you've run out of a certain item, you can then scroll through this list and choose those particular items. Now, this feature will come to Australia. It already exists here in the US, but in Australia you can expect to do the same thing as well. So if you do run out of an item, you can order it right here and make sure that you resupply. So with the Unli app developed by Whirlpool, it allows you to scan for ingredients. So right in front of us here, we've got some vegetables. It can also scan for proteins like meat and fish and chicken. So it's scanning right now, so it's recognising the asparagus and the peppers and everything else. And at the end of that scan, you can actually it can then suggest recipes based on what it's seen. So the ingredients are in front of it. You can then see all these great suggestions about what you can actually cook. And it will also take into account whether you've got allergies. You may have entered into the app that you prefer gluten-free food. It'll also take all of that into account as well. So when you decide on the recipe you want, you can then select that, start the oven from the app as well, and then have guided instructions step by step. If you're like me and not a very good cook, this is a great thing to have in your life because it can take you through every step right to the finished product. Now, we've spoken about Whirlpool's smart products, but here is a product that may not have the smarts, but it is clever nonetheless. This might look like a range hood and is sitting where a range hood would be, but this is actually a microwave. So you think about some people may not have, they may live in smaller apartments, they may not have room to have a separate space for their microwave. Well, now they can put it right above their oven in the place of their range hood, and this is also a range hood as well. So if you're cooking, this acts as the range hood, but if you need to use the microwave, you can put all your food in here. Now, it's not as deep as a regular microwave, but it sure is a lot wider. But it is a really convenient solution if you don't have the space for a separate microwave. We've been cooking, we've been preparing food, using the microwave. Well, we need to do the laundry though. That's a reality of life, and Whirlpool have a product to suit. And this is a washer dryer, a smart washer dryer that you can control with an app. As you can with all the other products, you can control the ovens, the stoves, everything with an app, as you can with this. This is also controllable through the Apple Watch, so you can get notifications, start loads, things like that through the app and through your Apple Watch as well. But the other smarts on this machine is the ability for you to put in enough detergent for 20 washes. So rather than you determining how much you need for each particular wash, you just put in enough for 20 loads, and then the Whirlpool will intelligently know the weight of your load and then dispense enough detergent to handle all of that. So you don't even have to think about it.